The new JCB concrete mixing bucket. It is an excellent solution for concrete mixing, which will guarantee an equal and high quality mix. Attachment made for backhoe loader comes with unique dimension and best-in-class features. With a bucket weight of 710 kgs, the bucket made with high-strength tough steel is wear-resistant, sharp edge which is meant to cut the cement bag. It has an excellent cross-mixing ability which results in optimal and quick mixing of concrete. The grill can be opened and hooked, can be removed if needed. To ensure user safety, the safety stud is used before the concrete outlet fitting. This bucket simplifies concrete mixing with quick and easy loading of loose materials. The common procedure is then carried out by adding cement and water. It can handle up to 2000 kg mixture, produces perfect mixture with forward and backward blades movement and easy monitoring. The concrete mixing bucket can perform multiple concrete applications like filling of concrete across the length of the poles structures, pillars filling at construction site, roadside footpath making. Upon completion of various tasks, cleaning and maintaining the attachment is very easy.
कंक्रीट मिक्सर देखा है मार्केट में आप लोग का, देखने से इतना अच्छा लगा है जो मेरा काम आ जाएगा उसको मैं खरीद किया पहले बार। खरीद करने से देखने से इतना काम आया ना, बाप रे बाप, बहुत काम। नंबर 1 काम मैंने किया, जो काम मैं किया ना पहले बार वो 50 आदमी लग जाए पोल मैंने कंक्रीट करने के लिए, लेकिन अभी 10 आदमी से हो जाएगा।